Couple of mini diggers to do today, inside and out. Quite messy. Okay, I'm going to get on with this one. See you in a bit, show you the end result. Okay, looking a bit better. Just a bit of a tidy up. Not going too mad on it because it's yeah, it's quite scratched and battered, and I bet it's never been cleaned since day one. Don't know how old it is, ain't got a clue. There we go, looking a bit better than what it was before. And number 2 mini digger, tidy up. This one's had a glass side window or side glass smashed on it. Pretty much same condition as the other one, I'm guessing. Right, let's get on with it. So there we go, looking a bit better. So just tidy up a little bit of a clean, not going too mad. Got rid of most of the glass. So there we go, a bit presentable. Sure, it'll only get dirty again very quick. See you in the next upload.